Happy Monday. Monday I work every day, so can't keep track of the days. We're headed over there. That's Nitro Cool Ranch right there, and my friend Sean, who has the 57. I've got some new rear leaf springs he requested, and we are going to go take it to him. He's working on my suspension and putting the straight axle on, doing the springs. We're going to put the springs inboard so we can get a bigger tire on that. And let's see what he's done. He told me he's got everything out, so. Then I need to pick up the transmission. The transmission's going to the transmission shop to have the trans brake and the bump box put on. However that works. Anyway, here we are at Sean's place. Guy's got a caboose in the backyard. Always something going on here at the ranch. I kid you not. He's got the 40 Diamond T. There's that I think I'm selling that car. I think I am. And I don't see my car, I'm afraid. It's in there someplace. Don't scare me, Sean. Where is it? Okay, let me park this and I'll come back to you.
I took some pictures with the axles in place. So
I'll be on traffic.
and once I start getting stuff to where I can start holding stuff here soon,
Yeah.
I'm going to have my buddy come over from Elsinore. And video some assembly.
Well, I never knew this place existed. Holy moly. Holy shit.
That's the right height.
Look at that, baby. There she is. Woo! Damn. Damn. So that's the height, huh?
That's where it's rocker cells.
My only concerns are the rear tires. Well, you know,
I've got it to where we can put a 2-inch deeper backspace in this wheel.
okay, but I mean, but I need a fatter tire. I need a fatter tire in there. And here's what's happened.
Yeah.
They don't make. They had the small tire, and they go right to the big tire for the slicks. I'm not talking about these, but go ahead.
Okay, well, if you want to run the gum dips,
Yeah.
you can go to the 12.
Okay.
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 And we can put a 2-inch wider wheel with a 2-inch deeper backspace, and I have everything set. I have all my spaces set.
Okay.
And so with the height that I have, the only thing that you have going on that is slack for room is just this curve right here. But
Yeah,
I
that's.
believe as I end up on my final height
Yeah.
on the rig, the 12 will just fit in there.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
if you, I mean, it'll look like it's full of rubber.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm just like at the drags. I want to have the most rubber I can, but that's about it, Sean. We're talking, baby.
Okay. So these are 15 by 4s with the
Okay.
radials, so that really approximates what you got going on the height of the front tire.
So what wheels were you thinking?
Well, I'd like to get my Super Sharks re-chromed.
What Super Sharks?
I have some Super Sharks.
Where are those? Okay, back over here. So okay, so we got the springs. Ow. What's going on back here? There's so much going on here.
Oh, and inside. The whole machine shop here.
Well,
so we can make anything that we want.
deal. Wow. What a place.
It's got a big Detroit V8 diesel in it. That's why you got the truck.
What a place. Something to be high.
Traeger SS is a cool wheel, but it's too generic.
Yeah, okay.
And with your rear wheels, you can run anything you want.
Yeah, yeah.
And so older is cooler. Not necessarily the fancy ones. I have a pair that I ran on my car for a couple of years until I found those new ventures. And I actually have another pair of new ventures too.
That's some real Americans.
Super Sharks. Fenton Super Sharks. Pie cutters from the day. Nobody's got those. Okay? You'll be the only guy in the circuit that has a set of those. Okay? I've had these for, I don't know, 10 years at least.
And that Chevy bolt pattern.
I probably had these, yeah, Chevy bolt pattern. I've had these for probably 15 years.
Oh. Oh. Why are they have screw holes in it?
They were actually on the back of a 55 Chevy drag car and they had slicks on them.
But that's okay, it's still cool.
Okay? So we just weld the whole shut and chrome them.
Okay, who can do this for us?
I can get a hold of Vince, but most any decent chrome shop, but look how nice the centers are.
Oh, no kidding. Gosh. Never seen them, Sean. Damn it. God damn, you always coming through when you think that the second you go, oh man, you're unsure, you knock it out of the park. Look at those. Absolutely cool. And they're 14s or 15s?
15s.
They're 15, so the disc brakes will clear.
Yeah.
So that is out of sight. Okay. I'm thinking.
Aren't those in nice shape? That's the original chrome.
I'm thinking of what we can do.
These are mid-60s wheels, early to mid-60s.
Okay, I gotta find somebody to do the restoration on them.
And they have both of their original centers.
Yeah, those are, I love Fenton. I love the Fenton line they had back in the day. Oh, Sean, that knocked it out of the park, man. Okay, what do you think on the rears?
On the rears is, you know, I did the...
Black steel?
I went the extra mile and I put the actual Hallebrand springs on mine.
What do they look like? You mean like the...
They look like this, but they're all one-piece magnesium. They look like this. And that's what I ran on mine.
What are those?
Well, these are the two-piece ultralight welds with the Hallebrand look.
Yeah.
Right?
Another thing I was looking at is I was over at the Classics parts in Huntington Beach. They had the, you know, with the gray finish.
Oh,
the kidney wheels. I mean, but I don't know. But so front out of the park.
What you might do is look online because there's a couple of guys that specialize in that.
Yeah. No, so there's no doubt in my mind that those are just out of sight.
Yeah.
Those are.
Nobody's got that.
I've never seen them.
They were on my car in 15 and 16.
Out of sight. What are these? Drag stars?
Oh, those are welds.
Drag stars. Okay, so great. Let me turn this off so
the way around it.
Okay. So these are pictures of. That's a car trailer over there. Okay, with the wheels, the tires.
You can just.
I can't see much. Here, you do it and hold it and show me. Oh, there you go. Let's look at That's a good shot. Okay, let's see that back tire. Boy, that is... If we can stuff a bigger tire, that's cool.
I have 3 inches to the inside.
Okay. Those rear tires look kind of fit the car better when it's up like that.
Yeah, they actually.
I'm thinking that it adds to them. It adds to the car now.
Well, yeah, you can see the tire now because
Yeah.
a lot of it was being cut off.
So right now, let's stick.
So that's where it sits.
Yeah.
So the rear tire right now is wide enough. Those tires wore out, you know.
What's that?
The back tires are on that thing over there.
The rears?
Yeah.
Well, duh. They've been on there for 5 years.
Yeah. So.
God, I was playing with fire. Cool.
If you can't get tires, let me know.
Well, what tires? I mean, I like the Pure Correct, but now that we're running about 120, I want to get something a little safer.
Yeah, well, for your driving, you'll want these gum dips,
right?
Because they're dot and they have the right temperature rating.
Right.
Because you don't run a
right,
race tire on the street.
Those are good.
So you could have 2 sets, one to race on.
Yeah, that's true.
And one to street on.
That's true. Cool. Looks good. That's gonna. You like me? That's gonna be up there. Okay. Well, that is.
It's full attitude.
Okay, full attitude. Wow, I like it.
Now
I like those wheels.
There's a 1 degree rake in this concrete, so it actually is a little low in the back.
Okay.
So.
Wow.
Anyways, we went through it there.